Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and that's the Chrysler Building, which I love. I'm answering a publicly posted question from avo.com. A as in Apple, V as in Victory, V as in Victory, O as in Orange.com, and it is posted from Riverton, Utah. As I get the camera way too close to my face, this is not a professional operation, and it was posted on July the 19th of 2022. And here, let's read that question just into the record. As a manager, why would I be put on paid administrative leave because I reported an employee for sexual harassment towards me? I'm a manager, and one of my employees kept sexually harassing me, as well as three other of my employees. So I guess one employee is sexually harassing the manager and three other employees. But I was just notified that the manager, am on paid administrative leave while the investigation is in progress. I don't understand why. Okay, so I agree with you that that should not be the case. And although I agree with you, I'll tell you why they're probably going to be allowed to do that. Although, of course, you always have to check local law. I'm speaking purely to federal law. So, what they're doing is investigating. You made an accusation, they have to investigate, right? So they're going to be talking to a lot of different people. They're probably going to be interviewing you further. They're going to be interviewing all three of those employees. They're going to be interviewing third-party witnesses, and they're also going to be interviewing this particular fool who's doing all the sexual harassment, right? Now, generally, I would say you should be kept there, and he should be put on paid administrative leave. That's my best practice. That's what I think should be done. But because you're being paid, they can argue that you're not experiencing retaliation because there's no negative workplace consequence. So their argument is, hey, we just took this person out of the job site because we didn't want there to be more tension during the investigation, and we made it paid leave, so it's not negative, so it should be okay. I hear you saying, hey, this makes me uncomfortable, and I'm concerned about this, so I agree it can be viewed as negative, but I think realistically they're going to be able to do this, and that's why they've done it. They don't want there to be tension while they're investigating. And these things do get pretty tense sometimes, right? Sometimes the person who's been accused of sexual harassment gets aggressive, does things that everyone will regret later. So I understand what they're trying to do, and I like that they seem to be taking things seriously, at least. I don't love that they have you out on paid leave. I don't love it. But I do love that they're actually taking action. They appear to be treating your complaints in a very serious manner, and I like that. If anything negative happens to you, I would recommend right away speak to a local employment attorney. You're going to have what I would view as a retaliation claim the second anything negative happens to you, right? If this hurts your promotion prospects, if this hurts your wages, if you're losing money as a result of this, anything negative, that's going to be a potential claim, and you should speak with a local attorney right away. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, consider liking and subscribing. That does help me to help more people just like you. I will check the comments on this video in case you have follow-up questions. Good luck.